Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar in Windows 10 PC using Vivaldi browser. In case you want to open Google Calendar with a desktop shortcut using Vivaldi browser, to do that, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC. Then visit Google Calendar website and sign in to your account and then minimize this one window. Now click on this one start button. Type Vivaldi in the search results. Right click on this one Vivaldi app. Select open file location. Again right click on this one shortcut option and select here open file location. Now press shift key on the keyboard and right click on this one Vivaldi application. Now select copy as path on the free space, right click and select new and then shortcut option. Paste the copied path, then press a space bar, type hyphen, then type URL, again put one a space. Now copy Google Calendar path from your Vivaldi browser and paste at the end. Then click on this one next button, name it Google Calendar. Then click on this one finish button. Now a desktop shortcut for Google Calendar will appear on your desktop by double clicking on this one desktop shortcut. You can open Google Calendar in a new tab on your Vivaldi browser.